original plan. Babangon ng 4:30. Ay hindi, babangon ng 4 o'clock. Aalis ng 4:30.
Wala kasi sa plano eh.
Time check, 5:20. Mas maaga rin yata silang nagising. From camp number 2, konting akyat. Tapos ito, pababa. Kahit pa paano well-established yung trail. From camp number 2 to summit of Mount Sikapu. Then after a while, ito, assault na. Mukhang ito na yung simula ng paakyat kay papuntang summit. And 15 minutes from camp number 2, ito na yung scenery. So medyo may konting assault dito. Yan, mukhang aakit pa tayo dun hanggang sa pinaka taas. Napakalamig dun sa campsite. Kaya dapat magdala ng gears para sa lamig. Pero parang after 15 minutes lang na hike, lalo na ito assault papuntang summit, mainit na bigla, mainit na sa katawan. Yun, kahit pa paano parang mas maganda yung trail na to from camp to the summit kumpara sa mga trail na nadaanan namin kahapon. So parang yung trail dito is well established naman. Mukhang ito na yung final assault papuntang summit. Yan, finally. Yan, almost 6 AM. Mukhang nakataas na yung araw. Hindi rin biro yung assault dito. Mahirap pa rin akyatin papuntang summit. Taas na yung araw, may mga distant sea of clouds tayo, medyo malalayo sila, and sulit na sulit yung scenery dito. By the way, yun yung Mount Kilang. Ito si Mount Kilang, kung saan tayo nag-start nung kahapon sa day 1. So most likely nandito sa part na to yung tourist building. Ayun, so akala ko final assault na yun, may pababa na naman pala. So bababa ulit tayo. Sana ito na yung final assault to the summit. Yan, so hindi pa yun yung final assault sa summit. So pagkatapos mo kasi ni Don, yun, pababa ulit tayo. And most likely, doon yung summit. Akala ko from camp number 2, aakyat ka lang, then summit na. So hindi pala ganun. So from camp number 2, so bababa, aakyat, then bababa. So parang ilang series ng akyat baba bago marating ang summit ng Mount Sikapo. Amazing, mossy forest. Yun, so nice. Parang lumalapit yung Sea of Clouds sa north side. Yun lang. So kung akalain mo na sa summit na, ayan, may trail ulit pababa. And hopefully dyan na yung totoong summit, or baka idun pa. So may kalayuan nga talaga yung summit from camp number 2. So most likely hindi pa ito yung summit. Baka yun pa. Yan, so akala ko dito na yung summit, hindi pa. Dun pa. And yan, dito tayo dadaan sa may kaliwa. Pero parang sulit na dito. Maganda na yung view. Yan, makikita nyo yung Sea of Clouds natin sa north side. North side doon. I hope north side yan. Again, yun yung Mount Kilang, and dito siguro banda yung tourism office. Apakalayo pa. And so this is another peak. Wow. Ang ganda ng mga Sea of Clouds doon. Sea of Clouds pala, isa lang. Ang ganda. So yan ang summit. Katapos nating bumaba kanina at narating natin yung peak na to with that Sea of Clouds view. Tapos ito, pababang trail ulit. Yan, exactly more than 1 arc from camp number 2. Ito, matinding assault. Around 50 to 60 degrees. Again, hindi basta-basta yung pag-akyat dito sa summit ng Mount Sigapo. Matindi yung assault. Kaya kailangan ng proper preparation. Pre-climb kung kailangan. Oh, yan. Yan, mukhang malapit na. Kunti na lang yan. Kita yung sea of clouds natin doon. Ganda. Yan, sulit na sulit yung hirap. Oh, nice. Amazing sea of clouds tayo. Featuring Mount Kilang. Ulit-ulit na lang. Ayan, after 1 hour and 30 minutes narating na ang summit ng Mount Sigapo.
Hindi, magdidili ako. Promise?
Yan, with an amazing sea of clouds sa north side. Yan, sobrang blessed and sulit na sulit yung pag-akyat dito sa Mount Sigapo. Maliban sa napakagandang weather para makita yung Eagles Rock. Halos napapalibutan na tayo ngayon ng amazing sea of clouds. Again, yun yung portion ng Mount Kilang. Yan, so amazing sea of clouds. Yan, puntahan naman natin yung the Eagles Rock. Yan, ito yung likod ng Eagles Rock. Doon tayo nag picture kanina. Ayan. Oh. Yan. Still amazing sea of clouds. Mali, ito yung the Eagles Rock. Napakaganda ng panahon. Yan, sa swerte tayo dito sa Mount Sigapo. Yan, may kasama pang sea of clouds.
29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure. 11, get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure. But one day I'll be yours again.
My God.
Yan, after almost 1 hour dito sa summit, time na para bumaba, pabalik ng Camp 2. Ayun, 20 minutes later, yun na yung summit. So yung background na natin is exactly 8:30. Ayun, background na natin is white background na lang. So maganda kung pupunta sa peak ng or summit ng Mount Sikapo, mas maganda maaga. Yan, wala na tayong makitang view. Okay, dito sa mga viewpoint kanina na may nakikita tayo sa baba. Yan, so puro fog na lang yung makikita natin. Ang tindi na ng kapal ng fog dito sa baba. Yan, para na siyang horror na mossy forest. Balik ng Camp 2. Yan. Start akong bumaba ng summit 8:10. Dito na ako sa camp number 2, 9:21. 1 hour and 10 minutes bago makabalik ng Camp 2.
Bakit apa? No i-mix mo giant. Tapno mamixan din alam din na po doon.
Pak-lunch mo sudah pa kami.
Agpak-lunch to yun. Magsiawit lang ti rice you.
Di ulam
Di ulam ti ipahit yun.
Tayo naman makatingin.
Yan, almost 11 AM. Exit na kami to Camp 2 and start na ng trek namin. Okay, going back to yan, sa tourism office. Yan, 20 minutes from camp number 2, narating namin yung view deck. Same kahapon, wala pa rin view. Yan, 1 hour and 30 minutes from camp number 2. Ito, situation namin. Lakas ng ulan. Yan, 1 hour and 50 minutes from camp number 2. Yan, nakabalik na kami dito sa camp number 1. Yan. Pero ganun pa rin. Sobrang lakas pa rin ng ulan. Yan, nakabalik naman sa camp 1 na safe and sound. Basang sisiw nga lang.
Ako din, makikihiram.
Natin yung adobo.
Mabaling mo sa rumete, sir?
Wala na ba nag-sound ni David?
A few moments later.
Plus 2 p.m. umalis kami ng Camp 1. And ganito yung kalagayan ng trail kapag naulan. Ayan, 30 minutes from Camp number 1. Ayan. Wala na ng putik ng trail. Ayan. Nandito na ulit tayo dun sa bahagi ng trail na nasa gilid na tayo ng bangin. Kung saan sobrang nipis nung trail pababa. Sana isa ito sa mga pwedeng i-improve ng trail to Mount Sicapo. Kasi ang gagawin ng hiker para makatawid, kakapit lang sa mga ugat-ugat o sanga-sanga ng mga puno. Pero yung ito, kaliwa pag pababa, yan, napakalalim na bangin. More than 2 hours galing sa Camp 1. Yan. Pero medyo mahirap pa rin yung trail pa uwi. So Mount Sicapo yung klase ng bundok na pagpauwi na hindi puro pababa. So marami pa ring major assault na dadaanan bago maka-exit. Napakadulas ng trail. Napaspas kayo, Matt.
Ginana na giligat. Kaslata. Di ba Dave, kaslata ligo dito eh.
Yan, 2 hours from camp number 1. Muling bumuhos yung ulan at medyo nag-traffic.
Sige.
Eh, bakit naman ito ba? Nakaano?
Ayan, so ito na yung nangyari dun sa 70 to 60 degrees na inakyat namin kahapon pagkatapos ng ulan.
Ay, sir, pahingi na.
Agwakis ka pa eh.
Maging reporter! Huwag naman.
Parang dinaanan na to ng baboy.
Hindi baboy, oy, nuwang.
Kalabaw pa.
Kalabaw.
Okay. 3 hours from camp number 1. Yan. Foggy yung paligid. Ito, so hopefully ito na yung second to the last assault namin bago makabalik sa main road. Yan, 3 hours from camp number 1. Narating na namin yung remarkable point na to, yung nag-iisang malaking puno sa ibabaw ng ridge. So hopefully kaya na ng 30 minutes to 45 minutes hanggang dun sa may kalsada. Ayun, tanaw na namin yung kalsada kung saan kami nagsimula kahapon. Ayan, kitang-kita na natin mismo yung drop on point. So hopefully makarating tayo dun in less than 30 minutes. It's exactly 5:30 p.m. Day 2 ng Mount Sicapo namin. Jump off point and the moody view of Mount Kilang. Yan, so exactly 6 o'clock p.m. Narating namin yung jump off point of day 1. So umalis kami sa camp number 2, 11 a.m. isasama natin yung lunch break. A total of 7 hours.
Yay!
Yay! We survived Mount Sigabo.
Dennis na din, pakawakas.
Unfortunately, hindi natin makita si Mount Kila.
Yan na.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt